Hey there everybody. Well, it's afternoon on the homestead and I've got about 2 hours to make a difference. I'm going to pick up some leaves and grind them, and I'm going to cut down the cranberry hibiscus and the other hibiscus plants and hope they come back. So cranberry hibiscus is a perennial in zones 8 and up, like it was in my garden in California. However, here I'm in zone 7, 7A, and it all died back. So I'm hoping that if I cut it back, mulch it well, it'll come back next year. Yeah, I thought so. Oh boy. I got these ant hills all over the place. They're at the base of my raised beds. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about that. I'm not sure if it's a bad thing, but I have a feeling it's a bad thing. I found 8 more cloves of garlic. These are mixed variety, but I'm gonna plant them anyway out on the end of that empty row. Root side down, point side up, every 6 inches. Push them 2 inches down in the soil. It looks like I'm pushing farther than that because I've got about 3 inches of mulch on top of that. That could result in 8 more bulbs of garlic. Wait, this is actually, this is actually a bunch of little ones. Might have been 9. I'm just putting this tarp on here for a while. This is the blue spice basil, which smells fantastic. And I'm going to take that inside and make some little arrangements. Maybe collect some seeds. So that was fun. I gotta say, that was fun. I just have to figure out a couple of things, you know. Why that rake will not roll. It's just self-braking, and the only adjustable thing is the height of the rake, which rolls when you're pulling it. Why doesn't it roll when you're hand pulling it? Now, I don't know. Hey, come here, somebody. Come here. Come here. So anyway, thanks so much for following my journey here on the homestead in Tennessee. And I'm just trying to, you know, get good at a lot of stuff, and I feel like I've accomplished so much. I'm proud of myself for many things. And I got a lot more things to figure out, so I hope you'll stay with me and help me figure those things out. Please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, scroll down and click all so you won't miss any of the action right here in Tennessee. I'm Kay, and I'll see you next time. Come here. Who wants to be on camera? Come here, Patch. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.